Hi, it's Gary again at Stonyfield. So sometimes the simplest smoothies are actually the best. This is a super easy probiotic blueberry smoothie. I start with a little bit of orange juice, if you don't mind my saying so. Uncle Matt's Organic or Organic Valley Organic are pretty good. About a half a cup. I start with the liquid here just to make sure everything's going to blend in. A big handful of fresh or frozen blueberries. So I'll just pop a bunch of those guys in. Some chia seeds. We use our probiotic whole milk yogurt in our house. We use about a cup and a half. You know, liberal with the yogurt, right? Much as you want. You know, sometimes when your bananas get really ripe at home and you don't know what to do with them, stick them in the freezer and they'll be perfect for this kind of things. And then about a quarter of an avocado. And, you know, you should be doing everything organic if you can. Close my little top here and I like mine really liquidy. My kids have huge debates over this. Super simple, super nutritious. Cheers.